So this is how to make a steak and cheese. For your ingredients, you're going to need mayo, Tabasco sauce, half an onion, 4 slices of your choice of cheese, a baguette, and 60 ounces of steak. So you're going to want to put your bread in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit on bake. Then you want to get a cast iron pan and put it halfway temperature and put your oil on it. Then you're gonna want to chop your onions and then apply them to the pan. After that, you're gonna want to break up your steak with this thing if you have it. You're gonna want to do it on both sides. It makes it easier to eat the steak. And then you're gonna slice your steak. And then when you turn it, you want to slice it into cubes. Then you're going to put your steak in the cast iron and move around a little bit. Then you're going to want to apply your Tabasco sauce, pepper, and salt. About 3 minutes after it cooks. After about 6 minutes, you're going to want to apply your cheese. And you're going to put this on top so it helps the cheese melt. In the meantime, you want to put your mayo on the bread and take it out. And after the cheese is melted, you're going to take it over to your bread and put it on.